Changing your plan on Shopify Plus can help you better align your subscription with your business needs. Follow these steps to successfully change your plan. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin. Access your Shopify Plus account by logging in with your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your plan. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, go to the settings section located at the bottom left of your admin panel. From there, select billing to view your current plan details and billing information. Step 3. Review available plans. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your new plan. After reviewing the options, click on the plan you wish to switch to. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection and review any changes in pricing or features associated with the new plan. Step 5. Confirm changes. Once you have selected your new plan, confirm your changes. You may need to provide payment information or agree to new terms and conditions. After confirmation, your plan will be updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your Shopify Plus plan to better fit your business requirements. If you have any questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Shopify support for help.